if you're not new here, then you would already know that I usually have a pretty positive attitude about these things, but I really don't think this is gonna work. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I want to try out this product, which you can't really see because of the light. Hot Stamps Hair Glitter. Just press and dazzle. So I've had this product sitting in my stash for a long time, and I haven't had any urge to really test it out until now because I really don't think it's gonna work. But I figured that since today I'm not really feeling like doing anything too elaborate with my hair, you guys know that feeling, right? I would just give this a try. So this product is called Hot Stamps, and from what I can see on the box, basically it's hair glitter, and this device is supposed to cause the glitter to come out in a pink heart or a blue star. The product came up in my Amazon recommendations, so I said, hey, what the heck? Alright, so before we open up the box, we have to figure out what we're going to do with our hair, you know? How we're going to test out this product. It's clear that we're going to have to apply this Hot Stamps on a smoother hair surface, not straightening my hair. So how about we put our hair up in a sleek bun? Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just moisturize my hair with some water and conditioner diluted in a spray bottle. And now we're going to use our white tooth comb to kind of detangle the hair just a little bit. Not all the way through, but just like halfway through, so that the ponytail can be sleek and smooth and without lumps and bumps. Oh, you see my patch of gray hair? Probably just me, but I think it looks cool. Let's gather our hair so it's a little more manageable. And we're gonna fold over the ends with a scrunchie so that we protect our ends. And of course, since we're going for sleek, we're gonna be using some gel, and we're gonna brush it up with our soft bristle brush. It's really hard for me to get my hair in a ponytail without my large, really stretchy scrunchie. So, let's tie this up. Well, I hope that if you guys were confused as to why I did that step of protect our ends, you can now see why. Protect your ends. Alright, real quickly, let's make our top knot.
Oh, na, na, na. Young brother. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. Where you dance, they make me they go low. Say yeah.
Alright, well, let's see how this Hot Stamps work. There's no glitter in this. Okay, let's. No, I can't wait. I'm not laughing because this is funny. I'm laughing because I don't know what I'm going to do next. Because that's what this video was about. These hot stamp glitter gel. Because I'm not. There is no glitter at all in the box. So it's not like it squirts out in the box or anything. There is no glitter in the little plastic tray either. There's only glitter in the bottom of this thing. Alright, I've concluded that it don't make any sense. I continue to complain and just get myself upset because there's no glitter gel in the hot stamps. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that. So solution to the problem, I'm gonna go and buy some glitter at the store and I'm gonna try and make my own glitter gel and see if the stamp actually even works. So I did get a bit overzealous with the amount of glitter I bought, but we only used the gold and the red glitter. And as you may have guessed, to make your own glitter gel, you mix glitter and gel. Originally, the star was supposed to be blue. I changed it to gold. And the heart was supposed to be pink. I changed it to red. So let's finally try these hot stamps. Hold hair flat against your head or a flat surface when stamping. Use even pressure. Pull the stamper away to see results. Do not touch your hair until the hot stamp's hair glitter design is dried. Well, there was no hot stamps hair glitter. I feel like I didn't really care whether or not they would work before, but since I mixed my own glitter gel for this thing, I kind of want it to work now, okay? I want to see the fruits of my labor. So I say stamp it and apply even pressure. Yeah, nothing. Right. Press it down. Oh, I hear it squirting. Hopefully it makes something. Oh, I'm really stamping this hard on my head. And oh, I just see like one point of a star, kinda ish. Okay, what if so now there is actual glitter gel between the star. Now let's see if we can transfer that star from here onto my hair. Okay, you see it? You see it? It's a star. Okay, so this hot stamps tool device thing didn't work the way it was designed to. So let's just continue with this method that we have come up with to kind of make it work. Man, it's not even, not even bringing down the gel. Oh, why did they thought this was going to work? Really? Like, like, why did they never make a little pump or something to squeeze the gel out? You would think? And now let's try our red heart. I'm really using some force right now. Yeah, okay. I see a little that. No, it didn't work. The heart doesn't work. So in summary, hot stamps suck. Okay, beauties, well, that's the end of the video. I hope you at least enjoyed the tutorial for the hairstyle, or you might be the type of person that enjoyed watching me struggle with these hot stamps. In any case, give me a thumbs up. But these hot stamps were a thumbs down. Anyway, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're new to this channel and this is probably one of the first videos you've ever seen of me, I like to find solutions to problems, so let me fix yours. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more and get more familiar with my channel. And then, if you can sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos, that's an indicator that you actually enjoy the content here, and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.